Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll walk you through how to clear quick access in Windows 10 and remove recently opened files or folders for better privacy and organization. Step 1 is to press Windows and E together on your keyboard. This opens File Explorer, which is the main place where all your files and folders are managed in Windows 10. Step 2 is to click Home or Quick Access from the left sidebar. This section shows your frequently used folders and recent files for quick access. Step 3 is to locate and select the file or folder you want to remove. This helps you control what appears in quick access and keeps it clean. Step 4 is to hold down the Ctrl key if you want to select multiple entries. This allows you to remove more than one recent item at the same time. Step 5 is to right-click on the selected entry. This opens a context menu with options related to that file or folder. Step 6 is to click Remove from Recent, which instantly clears the selected item from quick access without deleting it from your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more easy Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.